So today I'm doing a bit of a follow-up to my last week's video. Does that even make sense?
We got some KTC canteen beans. We got some plum tomatoes. Arthritis.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a follow-up to last week's video. So last week I took you guys along with me as I went food shopping in order to prep meals for the week. So this week I'm going to show you exactly how I prep my meals and hopefully you guys find this helpful. In this week's video, I'm going to be doing my chili con carne featuring lean turkey breast mince as opposed to beef mince. So we're going to be using the turkey mince, of course, and then a bit of plum tomatoes, some red kidney beans, an onion, red pepper, clove of garlic, some fresh thyme, got some Italian style seasoning going in there, a bit of allspice, hot curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and of course a little bit of olive oil. So let's get straight into this. So I'm just gonna cut open the mince. Gonna add a spoonful of olive oil straight into our pot.
Straight to the pan.
Let that heat up a little bit. Pretty much heated up now. So now I'm just gonna add my mince. Get that in there.
You gonna die.
Keep stirring. So while that's going, the mince that is, I'm gonna start chopping with my veg. So I'm gonna chop my onion. I'm only gonna use about half of this. All right, true.
Yeah, I'm the camera crew.
Film.
You know what? You told me to come and do this. I'm gonna do it properly.
Thanks, Will.
I'm gonna give it me all.
Just gonna go back over to the mince, check on how that's doing. We're more or less there. Right, so I'm now gonna transfer all of my veg into the pot of the mince. And this is where I'll start to add my condiments, my seasonings. Guys, I'm not one to measure, I know the measurements in my heart. Bit of curry powder.
Curry powder.
Gonna add a bit of ground ginger.
Uncle Roger on that.
How could I forget one of the most important ingredients? Stock cubes. Stock cubes I like. So I'm gonna take one of these.
I didn't know we had those.
Gonna take one of these. They come in packs of 2. So I'm gonna put in one now, but I'll probably use both of them anyway. But I like to put one in initially. Let that cook for a bit with the veg and the mince. Just gonna sprinkle that all over. You can see we've got some flavours now going on in there. Smells pretty good if I do say so myself.
I beg to differ.
Yeah. So just about ready to add the plum tomatoes now. So I'm gonna crack this open. So I do prefer to use chopped tomatoes, but we don't got those right now. So I'm just gonna crush those up once I've added that into the mixture of the mince. Time to get crushing with those tomatoes. So I also added some water back into that tin just to get a bit more juice going, and then I transferred it into the pot.
That's what happens when you use 20% fat. You ain't got no sauce.
Guys, how could I forget my thyme? So I'm just gonna add that in now.
She done forgot the time.
Don't take off that lid.
She forgot what the time is. I told her to take her meds.
So I'm gonna close that again. No, actually, let me give it a taste. See where we're at. So it definitely needs that other stock cube, just as I thought. And chili.
Anybody up for a glass of Chardonnay?
Chili powder. I forgot that on the ingredients list. So I'm gonna get some chili powder in there. So the chili powder is running out, so we're just gonna go for Cameroon pepper.
The
so
baddest.
This is
Are you mad?
very, very hot, and I do like my food hot. So we're just gonna go right in there.
Let them know who told you about that.
Yeah, Deborah got it while I was in Nigeria. Who cares?
Yeah, I got 2. I wonder if they'll last. They won't be lasting if you happy girl. Do you wanna die? That's a lot, you know.
I like hot food, so
What? Guys, this thing is peppery, yeah?
So my beans are drained and they're ready to go in now.
Hot bean.
Look at all that colour. Look at that. Just gonna cover that and let it simmer. Now for the bulgur wheat, just gonna throw this right in the pan, and this will only take about 10-15 minutes to cook. I'll wash it out first and then put some water in and leave it to cook. Look at that. We are done. Tastes good. And that is a wrap, guys. And that is a wrap, guys. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with myself and my sister in the kitchen today. I'm sure you've all enjoyed her commentary and her little ad-libs throughout the video. And please do let me know if you do try out this recipe in future. Let me know your thoughts. Did you enjoy it? Please do tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And as usual, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.